The topic of this video is how to set up Crypto.com Authenticator. So here we are on Crypto.com, and the first step that we want to take is going to the top left of the screen and clicking on the three stripes. Then we want to scroll down to settings, and in here we want to click on security and then two-factor authentication. All right, so I already have it enabled, so let me just remove it here quickly. So this is what it will look like. And what we want to do is we want to download Google Authenticator if we don't already have it, and then copy this code at the bottom here. If you are setting this up on computer, you can just scan it from your phone. So let's jump over to Google Authenticator. And I don't know how much of this it's going to allow me to record, but inside of Google Authenticator, the moment you enter, there will be a plus icon at the bottom right. You want to click on that, and then you can give your code a name. So let's just call it crypto.com. And then you want to paste that key in here. And you can change your type of key. I'm going to leave it on time-based and just click add. Now I would recommend you long press on the code that's there because you're going to use it right now. So we're jumping back over to crypto.com, proceed, and then paste that code. And there you go. It is all set up. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.